I want you to get out your laminated copy of Fingerprints of the Stars. We're going to look at the chemical composition of each of these stars. Here you've got the sun, and this is the fingerprint of the sun. So astronomers study the composition of stars by observing their light with a tool called a spectroscope. The spectroscope separates the light from the star into colored lines. We call these lines a spectrum. Each element produces a unique pattern of spectral lines. Just like no two people have the same fingerprint, no two elements have the same spectral lines. We're not using color right now, but we do have a template. We have a template of these clear plastic sheets that you can find in your plastic bag. And this one is showing you the chemical helium. Helium has one spectral line here, one here, one here, one here, one here, and one here. So if a star has helium in it, it's going to have a line in every one of those spots. So if you kind of match it up, you can see there is a line here in the sun. There's one here. There's one here. There is one here. There's one here, and there's one here. So our sun does contain helium. If you were doing this on your own sheet of paper, you would then circle the H for, the HE for helium, but you are doing this in your notebook, so you're going to make a chart that looks similar to this, and you're going to mark then helium for the sun. Okay, and then you'll go through and there'll be one of these clear plastic cards for each of the elements. Now, normally, again, these would be in color if you were looking through a real spectroscope, but we're just practicing how to identify fingerprints of the stars in black and white.